Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to conduct polls and survey on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Select one of your chats. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom left of your screen. Select polls. Tap on what's your poll about and type in your question. Next, tap on Add Options and type in your options for the poll. Once you have created your question and options, tap on Create Poll. Now you have successfully created a poll on Facebook Messenger. Both you and your friends can take part in this poll. To vote, simply tap on Vote at the bottom of the poll. Select one of the options and tap on Submit. And that's it. This is how you conduct polls and surveys with Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.